to hold my hand, standing in the shadows of where we have been, sleeping with your back facing me. I know, this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we close.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for hopping on here today and watching. If you are new, please hit subscribe. I would appreciate it. I am just starting in the kitchen, doing a little cleaning up and doing some dishes, and then we're gonna get started on our Valentine decor. Hope you guys enjoy.
Two places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one. Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. To escape, and here we are, driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea, think we're getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose. I remember every day that I spent right here with you. Yeah, you are the one who makes me feel as good as I do. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa.
Okay, now to get started on the recipe, I am making a crock-pot white chicken chili. I sort of combined two recipes that I found that I liked the simplicity of and the ingredients. I just kind of subbed the stovetop option for the crock-pot way because that's easier for me, and you can just leave it alone and not deal with it all day because crock-pots are the best. So I'm going to walk you through step by step of what I'm doing, and just a little disclaimer, I did not realize that my shirt was tucked into my maternity leggings like that, so I look a little bit ridiculous, and yeah, I wish I would have seen that before I finished filming this entire section, so just ignore that. Now I'm adding my chicken breast directly to the crock pot. I used about 3 large pieces of chicken because I wanted it fairly chunky, but you could use about 2 to 3, 2 to 4, depending on how much you're making. I've added my beans and my onions, and now I'm adding 2 cans of diced green chilies. I'm also going to go in with some chicken broth. I used about 2 cups of chicken broth here. I will post the full recipe in the description below so you can find it, because I know sometimes it's hard to follow along. Then I'm adding garlic. I eyeballed that, and pretty much all the spices I just eyeballed. They were about like a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon, depending on what it was. About halfway through, I shredded the chicken with a fork, and then 30 minutes before eating, you want to add half a cup of half and half, or you could use heavy cream, and then a bag of shredded pepper jack cheese. And you're going to stir that all together, and that's going to thicken it up and give you that creamy texture, and it is so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Go try it. It was super easy and delicious, and we just ate it with tortilla chips. So yum. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.